So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the vegetable garden. It's spring and I'm doing several things differently this year than I've done in previous years, so I figured I would make a video and show you what I'm doing. First of all, because we grow completely organic, it's very difficult. Weed control is very difficult. We were just overwhelmed last season with weeds, so I made the decision that we would swap and put this weed control down. It's by no means the cheapest way of doing it. However, trying to keep up with the weeds last season was it was way too much of our time. And the second thing that I'm doing, the major thing that I'm doing this season, is I'm staggering the tomatoes. Now usually I will start the tomatoes in the greenhouse in December, and about this time of year put out 40 tomatoes. Now that's all well and good, however, all of a sudden you're inundated with tomatoes all in one shot. So this year I'm going to stagger them. I've got 16 tomatoes in right now. I'll wait while they get up a little bit, and then I'll put another 16 in, and so on and so on, and see if that works better with actually canning the tomatoes as we go along, instead of having to spend hours and hours in one day because we've got so many tomatoes. I do have some peppers. This is a bell pepper and a jalapeno pepper that I overwintered in the house. You can overwinter your peppers. Just cut them down, take them out the ground, cut them down to about 12 inches or less. Take a lot of leave so many leaves on for photosynthesis. Take them into the house or put them in the greenhouse. You can overwinter them. It gives them a great head start come the beginning of the season. I've also put some cantaloupes inside on the trellis here, and some cucumbers on the other trellis. I've got some squash already in the ground that Julie put in a couple of weeks ago. But 2 seasons ago I put everything in the ground too early, and we lost all the tomatoes. So I've waited and waited and waited this season. It becomes too time consuming and too expensive if you put everything in the ground and you lose everything. But I just wanted to document this. Like I say, it's not the cheapest way of doing organic gardening, but we'll see how it works. Hopefully we'll be able to control the weeds in that small area, as opposed to this whole area which was just covered in weeds and Bermuda grass last season. It was just choking everything out. Nothing had a chance. We did okay, but we didn't do great at all. But anyway, that's what I wanted to say. I'll keep making videos as we get through the season, and we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you.